up over here. Okay. And then I need to turn around, face the crowd. Okay, where are you from?
Las Vegas.
Las Vegas. Anybody else out there from Las Vegas in the house? All right, Las Vegas in the house. Enjoying Hawaii?
I love it.
Okay, you want to know what you want for tonight? You try the poi? You want yourself a gallon of it. Okay? No, I'm just playing. All right, we have somebody here that's going to give you the grand prize. So just hang loose right over here. We're going to call out our grand prize announcer. Stay right there, cousin. Don't run away now.
That's Jenny.
Jenny, I love you. I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
Everybody should say yes. Big round of applause right over here for Jenny and Jason. All right. Congratulations to you guys. All right, Cousin Jenny, Cousin Jason.
Go, Jason!
Right off this way, guys. Cousins? Oh, they're too happy. They're going out in the dark right now. Okay, all right. Oh, no, he's coming back. Right off this way, everybody. One more big round of applause for the two cousins right here. Cousin Jenny, Cousin Jason. Congratulations to you folks. All right. Come back when it's your wedding, okay? I'll be here. All right, congratulations. We love to bring these happy things to life over here at Paradise Cove Law. And moving along with that kind of stuff, everybody. Let's start off with we have any birthday cousins out there in the crowd tonight? Birthday people, make some noise.